Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj showing you potato sagu. This is a traditional potato curry which goes very well with Puri and with Rava Idli. Of course, you can eat with Chapati too. Let's begin potato sagu. The first ingredient is oil, then goes the mustard seeds. When it's crackling, I'm going to add in ginger, chili and few curry leaves. To this, I'm adding the onions, now I'm adding in the tomatoes, now I'm going to add in the turmeric, to this I'm going to add in the roasted urad dal and channa dal powder, boiled aloo. You can add peas if you like to, few boiled peas. Now I'm going to add in little water. While this is boiling, I'm going to add in the other spices, the chilli powder, salt to taste, spoon of sugar, I'll squeeze in some lime, now when it is boiling, I'm going to add in little bit of garam masala, I'll allow this to simmer for a few minutes. Now this is boiling well. Time to switch off the flame and garnish it with coriander. Our curry is ready. This can be served with your favorite accompaniment.